Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you the starter, fuse and relay location. This video will apply to Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2024. Okay, now the starter, fuse and relay will be located in two separate fuse boxes under the front hood. The relay will be in the top fuse box and the fuse will actually be in a hidden fuse box under this main fuse box, which is a bit hard to access, but I will show you how to do it in this video. Okay, now first, to access the relay you'll have to remove this cover. To do that you just want to unclip it here, so just have to push these black tabs a bit away and then leave the cover up. Okay, and on the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. Starter relay is located right here on top of the fuse box. Now the best way to test it is using the multimeter, or other option you can try to replace it with one of the same kind and see if that makes a difference. If it does, just buy a new relay. They should be around 10-15 bucks and replace it. And now I will show you the fuse location. Fuse is located in a hidden fuse box on the back side of this fuse box. Now what you have to do, you have to lift this top portion of this fuse box up and then turn it upside down. So flip it, remove the cover, and then you will get access to it. Now what you will have, I will turn the flash on my phone, just a second. You'll have one black tab, you see down here, hope you can see it. Same thing, you just have to unclip it and then lift this top portion of the fuse box up. You will also have one more just down here, the same thing. I'm not sure if I'll be able to record it, but you can access it with your fingers from this side. It's not too hard to do. And same thing, just unclip it and then lift this cover up. I'll have to use both of my hands to do that, but it's not too hard. Once you have it nice and loose, you want to lift the cover up and push it towards the air filter, because you will still have a couple of black tabs here which you have to get out of the holes down there, the openings. And now what you will do, you will just flip it upside down and the fuse box will be behind this cover. And to remove this cover you will have two black tabs again. Okay. I've turned flash again on my phone, so you'll have one tab here, just want to press it, the one down there, so just press those tabs. And the cover is off, and here you'll get access to the fuses and the fuse diagram. And the starter fuse will be fuse number 84, which is a 30 amp fuse located down here. So this is what you have to check. I know it's hard to access this side of the fuse box, but that's just how it is designed. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.